Today we're plotting points on a coordinates plane to draw the green elixir bottle in Wicked, an essential part of the plot in Wicked. We'll be plotting coordinates in all 4 quadrants, which means you'll be practicing negative and positive coordinates, both the x and y axes. This coordinate tutorial plots points in 2 phases, the bottle and the lid. I'm plotting in Canva. You can find a link below to start a Canva account. Make sure to check with your guardian before joining any software. Feel free to plot your points on paper or follow me in making a handy Canva coordinates plane you can duplicate endlessly in the link below. We've got our master here, and I'm going to call this Wicked Plotting Green Bottle. Everybody knows what I mean by that. I'm going to grab a shape and a circle, and I'm going to stick to black on this one. I am going to put a green line later. So let's take it down. So at the bottom there's this bar. If you make it bigger, you can manipulate 0.2. I like when it's a small dot. And let's make it black. Okay, so our first point is 3.5. Make this smaller again so I get this all in. And take this up so I could actually make that a little bit bigger. So 3.5, which is here on the x-axis, minus 9. Let's just see where that ends. Oh, let's end up at. Yeah. And I wonder if I can just drop that just a bit more to be on the line. Yes. So we're going to do the bottle first. The next point is minus 3.5. Minus 9. Hit Command C, Command V. So that I can use, I don't have to resize the element. And the next one is minus 3.5. Minus 3. I'm going to come up. And the next one is minus 3.5, 1. So come up to 1. And the next one is minus 2.5. So I'm going to go along minus 2.5 and 1. Let me just make this bigger to get my minus 2.51. Yeah. And I'm going to go minus 2.5. So 2.5. So it's going to be in the same, and then 2.5. Make it bigger. Like that. And now minus 1.5, 2.5. So minus 1.5, 2.5 to be in line with this one, the last coordinate, but minus 1.5. And minus 1.55. So let me go up. So it's in line with the 1.5 and go up to 5. Command C, Command V. Or minus 2.5, we're going back out again. And 5. So minus 2.5 and 5.5. Here, make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to jump to the side. So we've got now 2.5. So let's make this smaller so you can see. 2.5 come along and 5.5. And let me see if that. The thing about Canva, it's good thing is that it's going to tell me if it's in line. Yeah. And now 2.55. It be in line. So 2.55. Okay. Now 1.55. So Command C, Command V. So 1.5 and go up to 5. Okay, so we're going to go in and Command C, Command V. 1.5. Oh, hold on. Here. 1.5. So here is where we're going to be in line with this one. Yeah. It tells you when you are. But 2.5. So we're going to be in line with here. Now we're going to do 2.5 and 2.5. Command C, Command V. So 2.5 and 2.5. And then 2.5 and 1. 2.5 and 1. Well, tells me when I'm in line with all the rest. And 3.5 and 1. 3.5 and 1. And then 3.5 and 3. So let's make this smaller so we can see where we're going. Oh, 2.5. I didn't. Command C, Command V. Command C, Command V. And then 3.5, which is still here. And then 3. So it looks like we have a shape of our bottle. And the good thing is you can always zoom in and out. We're now going to do the bottle top. And I'm going to take this one. Command C and Command V. Got minus 1.5. So minus 1.57. Going to go up. And then 1.5. So 1.5 and 7. And then for the last point, 0, 4. So let's join all those up. I want to go around and join them. And then I want to do a green line here. I'm going to join them up in black. So if you search line and then shapes, just want a basic line, and you can see there are circles either side, which means that they can be used to stretch and join up. In fact, when you make it bigger, it's more obvious if they've gone to the points. Okay, so let's work our way round. So now I'm going to do a green line. I've already got green in my colours because I've tried it out, but you can go to the default solid colours. You can click on here, or you can click on this choose a colour line, and you can make it any green you want. Okay, I'm actually just going to go back to this colour. And the one where it was minus 3.53 or 3.53, that's my line for going in. And that's our bottle. But now what you can do is you can duplicate this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And I don't want this graph anymore. I actually want to make it transparent and take it out. And I want to, if I click on position and layers, actually I want to take the monkey out, and I want to take everything out apart from the bottle. So I'll go back to layers, all, which means that all the numbers, so if we go here, that's my X and Y axis. I want them out. I've already duplicated, so duplicate before you do any of this, just in case. And also you can always undo. And then right click, delete. So I have my elixir bottle that I can print out or not. Another thing you can do, you can just use the tools. You have as a colour, it's going to pick up that green, and you can colour inside. You can use the tool to make it bigger so it's easier.